How old are you? So 연세가 어떻게 되세요? So 세요 ending, we know it is an honorific. 연세, first of all, 연세, this is age, and it is honorific. That means we have a plain form of age, which is 나이. Okay, so one is honorific, one is plain form, but both means age. Reason we use 연세 is because, as you notice, 세요 is honorific formality, therefore it needs to match, right? Because we cannot use a plain form and then use 세요 ending. It doesn't match because you're asking someone order. Therefore, use honorific age 연세 rather than 나이. Okay, so 연세가 어떻게 되세요? 연세 honorific age, 가 is subject particle. 어떻게 means how, and then 돼 means become. So age, how, become, pretty much, and then you got the honorific formality of the noun and the verb. Okay, so 연세가 어떻게 되세요? So how old are you? 몇 살이에요? So 몇 살이에요? So we can already tell that 이에요, that's R, right? Because it comes from 이다, is R, am. 몇 means how many. And then 살. This is age counting classifier. Remember that I talked about counting classifier? So how many age are you, pretty much? Even though we don't say you, again, pronouns implied, okay? So 몇 살이에요? So previously, we learned that age, we use Korean native number, right? Not the Chinese number. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 20. Everything else is same, but anytime counting classifier is involved, not only age, anytime we talk about 2 cups of coffee, or like I talked about, right? 5 cars, or 7 pairs of pants, or shoes, counting involved, we need to modify the number. Only these one though. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20. All the other number stays the same as what you learned. So 하나 becomes 한. 둘 becomes 두. 셋 becomes 세. 넷 becomes 네. And then 스물 becomes 스무. And then you add the classifier after. So for age, if I'm gonna say 25 years old, okay, then we know 25 스물 다섯 살. So 살 comes after, okay? But if you say 20 years old, aha, it's this one, modified one. So you say 스무 살. So if we were to do 21, 21살. Okay? So 몇 살이에요? 21살이에요. 21살이에요. If you want to say in honorific formal, 21살입니다. So casual이야, 21살이야. Polite, 21살이에요. Honorific formal, 21살입니다. And we're gonna learn how is. Like how's the food, how's pizza, how's coffee. And then something, something, right? But of course, Korean grammar, backwards, right? So we say something, something, noun, 이가 어때요? So noun 이가 어때요? And if it's casual form, 어때? Right? So you just plug it in the noun. So if we want to say how's pizza? Pizza is actually really easy. 피자. Pizza ends in a vowel. So we gotta use 가, right? 피자가 어때요? 피자가 어때? If you want to say as for pizza, then of course you can use topic particle too, right? 피자는 어때? Let's say hamburger versus pizza. How's pizza compared to what I'm eating, hamburger? So you get the sense of topic particle, right? So that's when you use in and in. So 피자는 어때? Like that. So that's the context. And 어때요 comes from 어떻다. To be how. And if I mention that you must know the da form for everything that we go over, the verb, descriptive verb, action verb, descriptive like adjective, action verbs. Yes, you need to know all da form. Because with the da form, you're gonna conjugate to honorific formal. Okay? To be fun, to be interesting. This is just an example. So 재미있다. So anytime we have 재미있다, like a die ending, so we know that's a dictionary form, or other textbook will say da form. Okay? So da form or dictionary form. Without da, like 재미있, that would be stem. So da form, dictionary form with da. Without the da, you end up with the verb stem or stem. Now, when we conjugate into different formality, like 재미있어, 재미있어요, those we call it basic form. So 재미있다 basic is 재미있어. This is a basic form. From the basic form, you just add yo after, that makes it polite form. Very easy. Basic form, it's just like a casual form. So when you say, oh, 재밌어, oh, that's fun, that's interesting. Casual form. So think as a basic form like casual form. And then you add yo after, which makes it polite form. So basic form, you can only do casual and polite. That's it. And then honorific, we do different conjugation. And then honorific formal, we do different conjugation from the form. That's why you need to know the da form. Okay? Alright, so now we cover the terminology for these. Very easy. So now you know, oh, basic form, okay, okay. Stem, okay, okay. Da form, okay, okay. So we're gonna do 이것, 그것, 저것. 이것. So 이 is this. 그것. 그 is that. 저것. 저 is that over there. So 것 is thing or one. So 이것, 그것, 저것. This thing, this one. 그것, that one, that thing. 저것, that thing over there. Okay? And then you'll use 은 or 는 after that, topic particle. But of course, we use 은 because 것 ends in a consonant. So if we want to say, this is arm. 팔, right? 이것은 팔. And then if you want to say in honorific, formal, 입니다. So we don't just say this, 이, and then arm, right? We have to say 이것, this thing, this one. You don't just say 이는. It doesn't translate literally from English to Korean. And then let's say that is a car. 그것은 차. And then now let's say in polite form. 차예요. And now that over there is fruit. 저것은 과일. And casual form. Let's do yeah. Okay. So we got honorific formal, polite form, and then casual. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. 안녕.